Hello everyone, you are watching Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. Today we can discuss a simple interest program in Java. In Java, how to implement simple interest program. First, we can create class, right click of the project, create class, simple interest, finish. Now, next we can create the main method. Then first declare. First you can read the data from the console. How to read the data from the console? I will explain. Using scanner based on scanner, we need to read the data from the console. In Java, we can read multiple ways. You can use buffer. The buffer reader also one is there. Scanner is there. Hmm? Like that. Today we can use scanner. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner new scanner inside bracket system dot in. This means the input stream. We need to read the input stream. That's why you can write the system dot in. See, scanner. This is a class. In this class, we need to pass the system dot in. That means this is the input value. We need to write the input stream. That's why here is in system dot in. Now, this is a double value. That's why you can use double. I will write first sysout sys sysout and the prime number and principal. Enter the principal PRINPIPAN principal. Enter the principal. We need to principal. Huh? Next, similarly, yes, here double equal to principal. P equal to SC dot next double. We need to write next double value. This is reading directly double value. Similarly, we can write time time enter the time period. Enter the time period. Next, we can write this is also double time. T is equal to sc dot next double. This is double. Similarly, you can write rate also. Enter the rate of interest. Interest rate. We'll write interest rate in interest rate. No, double R is equal to sc dot next double. No, read the three variables: principal variable, time variable, R variable. You need to read the principal, time, rate variables from the console. Now we need to calculate this one. Double uh, simple interest equal to P bracket, we can use bracket P into T into R divided by 100. This is a formula of the simple interest. Now we can display the value. Here, simple interest of principal, time, and rate is a simple interest. Now you can check. Right click, you can check the output of this program. Now asking 23, 34, 67. See simple of PTR is 594.32. This is the simple interest of this variable. See, now you can observe here, this value is displaying below. I need to display here only. After equal to only, I need to display. What need to do? We need to remove LN. Actually, this is the next line. I will remove next line. Here simple interest of PTR. That means principal, time, rate. Now you can right click and run as. Now we can see data display this side only before displaying below. This is a simple interest programming Java. If you need more information about Java or Python, could you please comment it below commented box? I will help you. Thank you for watching Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. We will meet next week.